This 2023 Winnebago Micro Mini 2108 TB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 22 feet 5 inches in length and features a Paragon interior, sleeps 4, skylight, spare tire kit, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, smoke detector, air conditioning, water heater, leveling jacks, microwave, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Winnebago Micro Mini 2108 TB is 4,040 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.